pulled into Fayette Historic State Park, the home of Fayette, the ghost town, old mining town, or smelting town. And my campsite is right by the water, Lake Michigan, right down there. Sun's gonna set in about an hour. So there's my camper up on the bluff. And there's this rather rough, stony trail coming down through the woods. And I'm just around the bend from the historic village. Looks like the lake bottom is a layer of limestone. So sausage is part of my breakfast this morning, and no, I'm not eating a whole plate of sausage. I just didn't want to dirty another plate. So I'm hiking from the campground to the site of the old village, which I think looks like about a half mile. And I might take the hike out on the cliff first this morning, because I kind of want to get the morning light on the village down below. So I think I'll start there. I'm on the top of this like 50-foot cliff, limestone cliff overlooking the town and the bay. I'm approaching the main part of the town now. I love these old textures. Brick walls, stone walls. I think this is one of my favorite buildings because of the angle of the back wall. You've got an acute angle here, obtuse over here. I'm not trying to be obtuse here. Well, maybe on that corner I am. Alright, whoever did this, come back and do it the right way. You can't leave a stone sticking out like that. We're in the old music hall, the upstairs of that building with the angle end wall. I'm going to show you the room now. Backstage. There's the acute angle, and there's the obtuse angle, and there's the harbor. They had a pretty impressive operation here for a few years. I think it closed in 1891 or something like that. And then it became a ghost town after that, on the shores of this beautiful little harbor. A little bit warm this evening, and I don't want to heat up the camper by using the stove in there, and I don't need a campfire for this, so I'm going to use the outdoor gas stove. This is actually a dual purpose stove. It burns on either propane or butane. So after you take it out of the case, just turn the burner thing over, the grate. Make sure the butane is installed right. There's a little gap in the rim which lines up with this little tab here. Get it started in the nozzle, line that up, press the lever, it's ready to go. To light it, just turn the thing all the way down until it snaps. There it is, it's going. This is a real easy meal I call my noodles and sauce meal, and it just starts with a $1 packet of pasta, and then I spend another $1 and get the small can of chunk chicken to add to it. Backpackers are always looking for this kind of meal to take on the trail because they're really light to carry, and they usually don't take cans of stuff. You can go to the outdoor store and get freeze-dried foods, but hey, save a lot of money. Just go to the dollar store or Walmart, spend $1 to get a pasta packet like that.